What is a lead-in note? To answer this question, we need to look at some songs which do not start right on the first beat, but rather maybe on the second or the third or even the fourth beat, depending on its time signature. A lead-in note is a part of the number of beats in the last bar of a piece of music. So when you add the number of beats of the lead-in notes and the number of beats in the last bar, they will add up to the exact number of beats as required by the time signature being used in that piece of music. In our example here, the music is in a 4/4 time signature and it starts on the fourth beat with a quarter note. As you notice, there are only 3 beats in the last bar represented by a dotted half note. But if you add the two together, you will have a complete 4 beats in that bar. Therefore, the counting of bars doesn't start on where the lead-in note is written, but rather on the next bar with complete number of beats.